guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be episode 2 of my Black History Month, and we've decided to go with something tribal today. I actually created this piece myself. I saw it on Instagram somewhere and I decided that I wanted to try it to see how it came out, and I think it came out pretty well. And then I just wrapped my hair with the rest of the fabric, but not about the accessories. So we decided to go with something tribal. So face painting goes back to Africa again, and it was used to identify the different tribes, and there was also messages and stuff within the face, like each symbol represented something else. So I decided that this is the look that I'm going to do. I don't know if any of these things mean anything. I really don't, but I really like the design of it. So if you want to see how I have achieved this look, then just stick around and I'll go through it with you step by step as I normally do.
Well, you can't dictate my pace like the old people say. You can't study people who go help you when you're back against the wall. You can't study people who go pick you up and chase you fall. If they don't like you, then you're doing something right. Just keep on doing it, doing it. Let them respect you for spend.
Right, you guys, as usual, we're going to start off with one eye completed, and we're just going to do the same thing over here. So I'm actually starting off with this brow completed. I went in with my normal things that I do, which is the Colourpop Black and Brown pomade. I never set this pomade because you don't really need to. It mattifies, like it gets really dry, and it doesn't, like when I sweat, it doesn't do all the stuff that the other one does and drip and fall out of place and all that lot. It doesn't do it, so I don't set it. And I cleaned up my brow with my Revolution Conceal and Define C13. I scraped the bottle. I can probably do a little bit of scraping again, so I'll probably use it in my next video. And that's what I did. So it's all over my lid, and I used it to clean up my brows. So that is all that I have done off camera so far. I'm going to be using 2 palettes today, and that will be the Revolution Soph X palette, and also the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. So I'm only using the Soph palette for the red and the Take Me Back to Brazil for the green. And then we're going to be using some glitters from off of eBay. We are going to be starting off with 21 and Mulled Wine, these 2 shades, and I am just going to pack them in over my lid.
Beats by Dim's Rhythm, beat maker of Reunion Island, baby.
So now I'm just gonna try and blend out the edges of this so it's not so harsh. I'm going to go in now with my Revolution Conceal and Define C0. I keep calling this C1 for whatever reason, but it is C0. And I'm just going to pop that right in the center just to make the green stand out a bit more. Right, so now that that is done, we're just going to go in with the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and we're going to be using the same 2 greens that we did yesterday, and we're going to be using the lime green and this forest green color. Now that we've packed that on, I am just going to go back in with the Revolution Soph X palette, and I am just going to try and blend out the edges so they're not as harsh. And that is literally all the blending that I'm going to do, because I am going to be covering this up with glitter. And like I said, today it's not really about what's going on here. It's more about the face painting that I am going to be doing. Right, so now that I've popped on that glitter gel, glitter fix, glitter glue, whatever it is, I'm just going to go in with my glitters and I'm just going to pop those on top of my lid. Right, so we're going to go in with, I think this is the Krazy Girl, but it rubbed off, so I'm not really sure. So I'm just going to go in and line my eyes using that. Right, you guys, so I've lined my eyes and I am just going to pop off camera and put my lash on and finish my eye and my base, and then I'll come back and we'll do the face decoration. This is the look. I've just put my base on and I am going to start painting my face. Like, I was going to go in and use my white concealer pencil, but I changed my mind and I found some paint. We found paint, y'all. So I found this UV glow paint, which I have here. It's already open, so I'm gonna go in and I'm going to use that.
Dims Rhythm, beat maker of Reunion Island, baby. by Dim's Rhythm, beat maker of Reunion Island, baby.
Right, you guys, so this is it. I'm just gonna sort myself out and I'll be back in a second. Right, you guys, and we are back. This is the completed look. This is my head wrapped, and this is a statement piece that I actually made myself. This is not really about me. I'm just letting y'all see all this goodness going on right here. So this is the look that we did, and I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please comment below. Also make sure to like and subscribe. Grow the Empress D family. Thank you for coming back to episode 2 of the Black History Month series that I am doing, and I hope to see you tomorrow for episode 3. Bye, guys.